It's that time of year, people, when you give your windowsills back their freedom as you start planting out all of those seeds you did a month or two ago. So today we're going to be talking about how to grow calendulas and nasturtiums. All of my growing is currently done in pots, so here I am just getting a pot ready, making some drainage holes in there. You don't have to do this, it's just something I do. I pop a little bit of cardboard over those drainage holes, only to stop the soil falling out straight away. So as I'm filling up the compost, I'll tell you about the nasturtiums. It can be sown from seed from April through to July, usually planted out May to August. The flowers last from June into August and beyond, September, maybe October, if you have mild enough conditions. They are loved by bees. Also, they're a great companion plant as the leaves are fed on by caterpillars and blackfly. So use these to lure, I can't say it, lure, attract those two pests away from your brassicas and beans. Nasturtiums will produce more flowers in poor soil, so don't use your best and expensive compost for them. If the Latin name of your nasturtium plant has the word minus at the end, they're a dwarf or bushy type. If it has the word majus at the end, it means they're a climbing type. Like a lot of plants, nasturtiums that are grown in pots need lots of water. Don't let those pots dry out. But those grown in the ground won't need as much water. Keep deadheading them to keep them flowering. The ideal planting distance for nasturtiums is around 10 centimetres. Let's talk about the calendulas. I'm just getting that last nasturtium in there. They can be sown from seed in March through to May, or what you can do, if you've had some growing outside during the summer, you can also do an autumn sowing off those seeds, or it doesn't have to be off the seeds of the plants you've grown. You can buy a packet, it's entirely up to you, but you can do an autumn sowing to make them for next year's flowers. You can do these autumn sowings in September and October. They can be planted out from May through to July, and they flower from May through to October. It's a good plant to grow in a veg plot as they attract all sorts of pollinators. Your calendulas will thank you if you give them a high potash feed once they're growing. Every couple of weeks, something like a tomato feed, a liquid tomato fertiliser, and this keeps them producing flowers. Also, deadheading them encourages more flowers to grow. Give them a really good water when they're dry, and here I am just popping in a few extra calendula seeds to fill out some of those gaps. Not only do both nasturtiums and calendulas look beautiful, did you know you can eat the petals of calendula flowers? They're good to mix with salads, and also you can eat the petals of the flowers and the leaves of nasturtiums. You can even let some nasturtiums go to seed, pick off those seeds before they go dry and hard and brown when they're still in a green stage. Some people pickle them like capers. So I've put the pot into its final position, giving them a really good soak because it's the first time they've been watered, and where they are, they get sunshine for at least half of the day, which is good for both plants. Thank you so much for watching this video about how to grow your own calendulas and nasturtiums. Thanks guys. If you liked it, give us a big thumbs up. See you soon.